Baktasha Akash, his brother Ibrahim Akasha, and two other foreigners, Vicky Goswami from India and Hussein Ghulam from Pakistani, were whisked away in a covert operation onto a chartered plane at the JKI on Monday night. Their destination, the United States of America. The operation bringing to an end a 3-year case that sought to have them face drug-related charges at New York District Court. The four had been arrested on Saturday from their posh residence in Nyali Estate of Mombasa County. The operation, conducted by officers from the Anti-Narcotic Unit, FBI agents and detectives from the Drug Enforcement Agency DEA of the USA.
Kama ni makosa wafanye ni Kenya na Kenya wasaiba kwa Kenya. Siku tukuliwa Amerika, naomba hiyo, na waomba sana.
The US had applied for their extradition to stand trial on allegations of being part of an international drug trafficking ring. Allegations indicating that in 2014, the four smuggled heroin worth 1 billion shillings to the US through Kenya. Speaking to Citizen TV, their lawyer Cliff Ombeta accused the National Police for not using the correct procedures of extradition, arguing that there was no court order giving the officers authority to do the same.
If the person has been told that he needs to be extradited, he will be asked whether he is agreeing to it or not. If he agrees, then the process ends there. Formal documents are signed, the court gives an order. The order is then verified at the diplomatic channels and the person is taken. If the person is fighting extradition, then a case must go on. The case is not done totally like any other criminal case, but it must be done as near as possible as any other criminal trial. So actually all the procedures and all requirements for evidence and all that must be followed to an extent.
Ombeta had on Monday moved to a Mombasa court demanding the four to be produced after the Saturday arrest.
They are these officers who I saw personally and have mentioned their names. They need to be summoned. They need to be able to tell this court where these people went.
The four were arrested in November of 2014 in Mombasa and have since battled the attempts to extradite them in court. In March 2015, the four were granted bond, a decision that saw their lawyer Ombeta break down in tears in the packed courtroom. Inspector General of Police Joseph Boinnet and Directorate of Criminal Investigation Ndegwa Muhoro are expected in court tomorrow over the disappearance and subsequent extradition of the four. Michael Njenga for The Big Question.